A wonderful blend of soya sauce, water, honey, and sesame oil is enhanced with garlic, red and green chilies, spring onions, and toasted sesame seeds. Perfectly soft boiled eggs are cooked, peeled, and then added to this marinade, and this is set in the fridge for 4 hours to overnight. These are enjoyed with rice and a fresh cucumber salad. My kids adore Korean food, so I just had to try these Korean Mayak eggs for myself. These eggs are super easy to make. All it takes is a soft-boiled egg and a marinade, and the two together are absolutely magic. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. To make the marinade, I'm going to add half a cup of light soya sauce and half a cup of water. For sweetness, I'm going to add a quarter cup of honey. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. To this, I'm going to add a quarter cup of chopped garlic. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons each of red and green sliced chilies. Add half a cup of sliced spring onions. And finally, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of toasted white sesame seeds. Give this a stir. To cook the eggs, I'm going to start boiling the water and I'm going to add in some salt and vinegar. I'm going to be adding room temperature eggs in it. I'm going to cook this for 6 to 7 minutes. Stir this at intervals so the eggs cook evenly on all sides. Once this is done, I'm going to remove it and I'm going to sit it in ice water for about 6 to 7 minutes, and then I'm going to carefully peel it. Pour the marinade over the peeled eggs and allow this to marinate for 4 hours to overnight. Make sure to shake the Tupperware periodically so your eggs color evenly on all sides. Serve this over rice with a salad, and when you cut into this, the ooey gooey jammy center should just ooze out. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Korean Mayak eggs. The hardest part of this recipe was actually getting that soft-boiled egg perfect, but everything else is a breeze. If you love my videos, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and let me know what other kinds of videos you want to see. Also, be sure to share them with your family and friends. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And follow me behind the scenes on all my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.